Now today, I'm going to be changing the downstream O2 sensors on the 2009 Pontiac G8 V6. Now, I believe the GT should have the exact same location. Now, I already know that these O2 sensors are going to come out fairly easy because I've taken them off once before when I took the exhaust out from under it and did some work to it. And that wasn't too long ago, so mine are going to come off very simple compared to some others that's been in the car for who knows how long. So keep that in mind. But really the only thing complicated about changing these is if you're changing them in your own driveway, carport, garage, etc., where you don't have a lift and you got to jack it up and crawl up under there because, well, the low clearance on these. So that's going to be the only thing. So obviously you jack it up, new stands, Scotch tires, you know, that good stuff, safety. But I'm going to go ahead and do all that, get it up in the air enough for me to crawl up under and show you the sensors. Alright, now you're under the vehicle. Here's the collector flange from the cat. We'll slightly go down here right about the back side of the transmission pan for the cross member. There's our downstream O2 sensors. Now the harness is just right up here. Alright, as you can see, you just got to push that hard enough to unlock it, and then it's removable. Then what we'll do, we'll throw our O2 socket on there. Break it loose. Now, as I mentioned before, I've already taken these off, so I know they're going to break loose pretty easy. Now, if you haven't taken these off and they're original, they may be a little bit more difficult. That side is going to be exactly the same. Harness is up there, unplug it, remove it. Alright, now that's what I'm using for the downstream. Now, make sure it has compound on the threads. Thread it in by hand as far as you can go. Then all you have to do is tighten it down. Just make sure not to damage the new harness. The old harness on the old sensor, doesn't matter, we're not reusing it, so if something happens to it, as long as it's not that part, we're good. Make sure you get it good and tight. Then, once you know it's good, we'll plug the harness back in place. Make sure you get it to clip, and once you get it to latch and lock, you're done. Alright, now there it is. Downstreams are replaced. Now, like I said, it's pretty easy. It's just getting under the car if you don't have a lift. And sometimes they can be froze up, stuck on there, and hard to take off. Like I said, these weren't because I've had them off before. So, there it is. I hope this information proved helpful to you. As always, thanks for watching.